Okay, hello guys, welcome back to the class. And in today's lesson, we're actually going to be looking at modeling itself. So we're starting the class now. So if you remember in the last video, I talked about the tools and measure and how to use each of the tools, and I talked about the interface itself. So in this class, we're actually going to start working, and we're going to start working on modeling a perfume bottle. So this was an image I got online from my physical class. So what we have to do now is that we have to add the image inside of our front view. So remember what I told you guys, if you guys don't know, you can go into here and then you can see all your views. So we're clicking on the front view. Once you click on the front view, you want to attach the image to the back of this place. So you go down to view and you see configure. But if those of you that are using an older version, it's under, you see it under display, and then you see configure. So once you reach your configure, you go to the back and then you click this arrow here. Once you click that, it will allow you to open up an image to be used as the backplate. I'm sorry if my background is noisy, but like that's just how things are for me. So I'm currently looking for the image that we used in our class. Okay, I found it. So this is the image that we use in the class. So you have the image in, and it's too bright for us to do anything else. First thing first, let's reduce our transparency down here, down on the bottom right. You can reduce your transparency so that you can see what you're doing more easier. And then we would like to move this to this point here, because this is the point where everything is standing at. Like if you click on the cube is here, and then if you check it, it's in between the lines. So if you move the cube up, you see that that's just above the line itself, and that's just where it is here. So we'd want to move our image up on its own. So remember, view, configure, back. Now offset x and y-axis, x-axis. We just want to carry it up, so we're going with y, and then we want it to stay at the bottom down here. Just keep moving it. You don't have to be precise in all this. You can do it anyhow you like. The bottle is going to come to the shape. Nobody's going to be inspecting your model up close. So once you are done with that, then we'll start modeling with splines. So this is very easy. You go down to create, and then you can see your spline primitives. And what you want to do is you want to pick the cycle spline, and then it's facing this way, but I want it to face up. So you pick XZ, and then we can then start reducing the size. We can start reducing the size. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to create cycles for every aspect here, and we're just going to keep dragging the cycles up and up and up till it fills up the bottle itself. So we're just dragging it up until it fills the bottle itself. That's what we're just going to be doing now. So in case you're wondering how I'm doing this, I'm holding down the control button and I'm pressing on the arrow, and then that creates the duplicates above here. So you can use that to do your work faster. So let's create one in the middle here. Drag it out. To do that again, control, drag here, and then we'll drag it out. And then I feel like creating another one up here. Drag it out, and then we'll do one more to the top here, and then another one, but this one's like smaller so that we can get the tip itself. Drag it in. Wow, I think we did the wrong thing. Okay, sorry, we need to duplicate this. Drag it up here, then drag it in, then we drag it up one more time, and then that's the basics of our mesh itself. So now for us to turn this into an action mesh, look at this is the line of the bottle itself. So for us to turn this into an action mesh, we're going to use what is it called? Is it called a love tool? Let me just change my interface to the one you guys will understand. So this is it. So the tools here are basically the same thing, just a different icon. So we have the love tool. We'll select all our cycle, and then we'll bring it down in. And and that's it. We're able to create the bottle itself. Very easy, very quick. I hope you guys understand this tutorial. I know you might be having a few questions and all, and then I would like you guys to actually drop your questions in the comment section or in the group chats so that I can answer you guys. So in the next video we're going to be doing the cover, and then we're looking at how exactly we can create a cycle in the middle of the bottle, so that in case you'd like to do some physics and dynamics to add liquid, fluid, anything inside, that you can actually show like as if it's glass and not just clay. So I would like to see you guys in the next video. Please tell me if you understand this. If you get confused about anything, just tell me. So let's just go over everything we did again. So the other cycles, we carried everything here and we added it into the loft. We selected it, carried it, and we dropped it into the loft. You increase your subdivision here to make it smoother. Just cycles arranged in different places. You can also move them and then it still creates a different shape. So you can feel crazy to go about doing things in a different way. So that's basically all we are doing in this class. You can also go ahead and also do the cover if you like, and just send it to the group. You can choose a different image and then send it to the group, and I will be posting you guys work later on. So thank you guys, and see you guys next class. Thank you.